Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning zone. Today we are going to do the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. This is written by Ogden Nash. He is an American poet well known for his light verse. And with his unconventional rhyming schemes, he was declared the country's best known producer of humorous poetry. Now about the poem, it tells us a story and it is a ballad. What ballad exactly means is it is a poem or a song narrating a short story in small stanzas, in short stanzas. Traditional ballads are typically of unknown authorships, having been passed on orally from one generation to the next. This poem is a humorous ballad close to a parody. Now let us read the first few stanzas of this poem. Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse, and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon, and a real true little red dragon. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink, and the little grey mouse, she called him Blink. And the light yellow dog was sharp as mustard, but the dragon was a coward, and she called him Custard. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth, and spikes on the top of him and scales underneath, mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and real true daggers on his toes. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers, and Ink and Blink chased lions down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage, but Custard cried for nice safe cage. Now let us start with the poem. The stanza 1. Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse, and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon, and a real true little pet dragon. So this is about a girl Belinda who had certain pets. It was a black kitten, grey mouse, yellow dog, and a pet dragon. And with all these creatures, with all these pets, she was living in a little white house. She also had a little red wagon. Wagon is a vehicle that we use for transporting things from one place to another. Stanza 2. Now the names of the little black kitten was Ink, and the little grey mouse, she called him Blink. And the little yellow dog was as sharp as mustard, but the dragon was a coward, and she called him Custard. So, the names of the pets are given in this stanza. The little black kitten was called Ink, and the grey mouse, she called him Blink. The yellow dog, because of the color, was called Mustard. And the dragon, because he was very coward, so she had named him Custard. The third stanza, Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath, mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and real true daggers on his toes. Now this dragon, in this stanza 3, she's explaining, the poet is explaining the dragon here. The name of the dragon is Custard. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth, and he had spikes on top of him, and the scales were there underneath in the skin. Underneath means beneath the skin, below the skin. Mouth was like a fireplace. Always the fire was coming out of his mouth, and his chimney, the nose resembled the chimney from where the smoke used to come out. And he had daggers. He has daggers. Daggers are the sharp knife. The claws, the nails were like the daggers on his toes. Stanza 4. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers, and Ink and Blink chased lions down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage, but Custard cried for a nice safe cage. Now here, Belinda, Ink, Blink, Mustard, all of their bravery is being told here. So now here what happens, that Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers means that she was very, very brave. Ink and Blink, the mouse and the kitten, they were also as brave that they could chase the lion down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage. Rage means he was strong. His anger was very, very uncontrolled anger. But the Custard, this dragon, the Custard, He was like, he always used to find a safer place or a safe cage to go and sit somewhere. He was not as brave as the rest of his fellow mates in the house. So now the explanation for the first 4 stanzas is done. Let us see the rhyming scheme. The rhyming scheme for all the 4 stanzas comes to AABB. Okay. The poetic device used in stanza 1. The first poetic device that is used in stanza 1 is repetition. The use of the word little. In stanza 1, little is being repeated again and again. Little white house, little black kitten, little grey mouse, little yellow dog. So the word little is being used again and again. It is being repeated. So the poetic device, the first poetic device that is used here is repetition. Second thing is oxymoron. We see in the last line, little pet dragon. Pet dragon means the 2 words with opposite meanings are used. So this is a oxymoron. The poetic device used here in pet dragon is oxymoron. Then, in the last line for the first stanza, Rielio Trullo. What is it? Here we are using poetic license. Here the spellings of the word real and true are changed to create a musical effect. Come to stanza 2. In stanza 2, the poetic device that is used is simile. The dog is compared to mustard. Here, and the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard. So the dog is compared to mustard here. And then there is alliteration that is used in the line. The dragon was a coward and she called him custard. C is being repeated here. So this is alliteration that is being used. Again in stanza 2, repetition of the word little is there. Little black kitten, little grey mouse, and little yellow dog. This is all repetition of the word little. So this is the poetic device that we are using here is repetition. Coming to stanza 3, the first poetic device that we use here is simile. Mouth like a fireplace. Okay, so here mouth like a fireplace. The dragon's mouth is compared with a fireplace. Then the second poetic device that is used in stanza 3 is metaphor. Chimney for a nose. So the nose is like a chimney from where the smoke is coming out. Stanza 4. In stanza 4, the first poetic device that is used is alliteration. There in the first line, Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers. B is being repeated here. So this is the alliteration that is there. Then is simile. In simile, barrel full of beers. That Belinda's bravery is compared to that of a barrel full of beers. And then it is mustard was a brave as a tiger in a rage. Here, what is it? The mustard is compared to what? The tiger in a rage. So these are the poetic device that we are using in these 4 stanzas. So children, this is part 1 of the Tale of Custard Dragon, where we cover the first 4 stanzas. Rest of the poem is being covered in the next 2 videos. Thank you. Happy learning.